Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on the REALME C63. Okay, so let's begin. First we want to open up our settings, and now from here we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the about phone first, and in here we want to change a few things in the developer options, but first we need to get access to them. So we want to click on the version, and now we need to tap on the build number a few times, just like I did. Now I need to also confirm by drawing my pattern, and now we can see on the bottom that we are now in a developer mode. So now we want to go back from here and now click on system. Scroll down and find the developer options. Okay, and now we need to scroll down in here until we find 4 specific options that we can change. Let me find them. Okay, here are the first 3. It's the window animation scale, transition animation zoom, and the animator duration scale. Defaultly, as you can see, they are set on 1x. It's the default value, but to improve the speed of our device, we can change those values into 0.5 or completely turn off those values and those features. But I would say that the best thing is 0.5 because in some cases when you set the animation on 0, basically there won't be any information. So I think, in my opinion, the 0.5 for each of those 3 settings is simply the best, and the phone will work a little bit faster. So we gain some free speed. So that when it comes to those options, now we can go scroll down until we find the apps settings, and we have the background process limit. It's set on the standard limit defaultly, but to improve the speed we can select it on at most 3 or at most 4. It's completely up to you. I'll select at most 4. And that's the old job that we had to do. And in the developer options we can now turn it off, and now we can go straight from here into the apps, and let's go into the app management. And in here, simply, if you have the apps that you are not currently using, you can simply uninstall them. It's really simple process. So let's say I'm not using the Netflix, simply click on that. And on the right side, as you can see, we have the uninstall button. So if you have some apps that you are not using, they are taking your storage space with no need, so simply uninstall them. We can also delete the cache from some of the apps. To do it, click on storage usage. When it comes to the Netflix, I don't have any cache available to be deleted, but first let's uninstall it normally, just like I did. And now let's find some of the apps where we have some cache, so maybe it will be in the Chrome. And now let's click on the storage usage, and in my case in here we have the cache 24 megabytes. We can click on clear, and now it should work and help with the performance of our device. Also, when it comes to the uninstalling of the apps, we don't need to do this from the settings. We can also do it from the home screen. So let's say let's hold on the TikTok, and in here we also have the uninstall button, and we can uninstall from this place. But let's get back to the settings for now. And also, if you go back below the app management, we have unused apps, and in here we should have a list of apps that we are not using, and if something will be in here we can simply uninstall it. It's really simple. Okay, and now we can go also into the storage, and let's click on free up space. Also, deleting the junk files will also help with the performance of our device. Now let's click on clean. Okay, 30 megabytes has been successfully cleared, so everything is fine. That's the thing that we wanted to achieve. Okay, now we can close it, close the settings I mean, and let's open up the phone manager. In here we can also click on the optimize button. Okay, everything has been optimized, so now we have the best performance possible. From time to time you can simply open this phone manager and click on the optimize button if you have that possibility, of course. We have also the storage cleanup, and here we can also perform the cleaning process. Okay, I think nothing more in here. Yeah, I have shown the cleaner. Also, you can download some third-party apps that can help with the speed and the performance of your device. For example, you can always download from the Play Store the third-party cleaning apps. Simply open the Play Store, type cleaner cleaning, and there you will have a list of popular apps. You can always, before downloading, read the reviews and find the best one for yourself. You can also try to use the Lite version of the apps, for example the Facebook Lite, which is created for mobile devices, and it also should work better and simply faster. You can always remember also about opening up the recent apps, and in here, if you have a lot of them, simply scroll up to close them, and thanks to that your device will work faster because you simply close the unused apps. And as a last thing, I'll show you how to perform a simple reboot, because during the reboot your phone rests, we can say it in that way. It also is good for the performance of it, and during that process you close the processes that are running in the background, and it also frees up the RAM, and thanks to that your device will work better, and it might help with the performance. So to perform a reboot we need to open up the power menu first. To do it, let's click the power button and volume up button, just like that. You can see that the power menu appeared right now on the screen. Now we need to hold this white ball which is on the middle. Now slide to the upside until you select the restart. Now release your finger. As you can see, the Realme logo now disappears, and within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically and then ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.